again. Today we're going to be making buttercream frosting. So this is going to be, although I'm adding a couple extra ingredients to it because I changed up the cake mixture, the cake recipe a little bit. So this is half a stick of butter that I'm putting in right now, and then I got this is a third of a cup of cream cheese, and so just grab a spoon out. And this is follow your heart cream cheese. So it's a vegan cream cheese. You can use Philly just got an excellent cream cheese out too. So Delicious has one. There's all kinds of vegan cream cheeses now. You can use regular cream cheese if you want to do this regular. It's up to you on that. So we'll just put that down. I'm gonna mix this up for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets mixed in, and then we'll put some sugar in. And this is gonna be a forgot to mention it last time, but I'm using stevia sugar. So it's a stevia confectioner sugar, and so it is a plant-based sugar. So now we're pretty well mixed in. But this is the cream cheese that I'm using right now. So that's the Follow Your Heart cream cheese. This one I've never used, but it actually is pretty good. So I'm not the only one I'm not a fan of theirs is their sliced cheeses, but they are used a lot. So this is the confectioner sugar over at this is the stevia confectioner sugar that I'm putting in. It's a cup and 1 1/3 cups of the sugar that we have there, and we're going to mix that in. We have our this is the biggest one we have here. So now I have vanilla. This is actually the real vanilla bean, and I really should have gotten the powdered stuff and not, because I don't like alcohol, which is why I'm not using the extract. But there is a vanilla bean powder where it's already done for you, and that you can get too. And so I've tried the paste. It doesn't have as much alcohol, but it's still got some alcohol in it. But oddly enough, I am adding some rum into this, which is alcohol, but it's not it's not really a strong alcohol. This tastes more peachy, but it's a coconut rum. So there's that. And so now I have some pineapple juice. This is 1.5 teaspoons of all of this. This is the rum. And then this is the coconut cream. Okay, so I want to get the stuff off of here, which I haven't been thinking to do. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of a taste of this one now and see how it is. Because I might want to add something to it, since this is a different recipe for me than it. So let me see here. I've never cooked with rum, and I don't cook with alcohol a lot, but it's actually not bad. I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay. So that's the frosting.